Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the fastest ways to make money in 2026. Let's see if I can really turn my ideas into cash. If you're like many people, you're probably tired of living paycheck to paycheck and are looking for ways to boost your income quickly. The good news is that 2026 offers a ton of opportunities to make money fast, and I'm excited to share some of the most promising ones with you. Traditional income streams just aren't cutting it for many people anymore. Think about it. A 9-to-5 job can be draining, and the pay often doesn't reflect the value you're bringing. Plus, with inflation on the rise, it's getting harder to make ends meet. That's why it's more important than ever to explore alternative ways to earn a living. The problem is, it's hard to know where to start. There are so many opportunities out there, but which ones are legit? And how do you avoid getting scammed? These are all valid concerns, and I'm here to help you navigate the landscape. Another challenge people face is the lack of financial education. Many of us weren't taught how to manage money or invest in school, so we're left figuring it out on our own. That's why I want to share some practical tips and strategies that can help you get ahead. So, what are some fast money-making strategies that actually work? One approach is digital entrepreneurship. Think creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or software. Another is investing in emerging technologies like AI or renewable energy. You could also try side hustles like freelancing, ride-sharing, or selling products online. The gig economy is another area that's exploded in recent years. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, you can offer your skills to clients all over the world. And if you're crafty, you could try making and selling products on Etsy or Redbubble. But here's one standout method that's shown exceptional success rates: affiliate marketing. The idea is simple. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales you generate. It's low risk, and with the right strategy, it can be super lucrative. For example, let's say you're passionate about fitness and have a following on social media. You could partner with a supplement company and earn a commission on any sales you drive. Or, if you're into tech, you could promote software or gadgets and earn a cut of the revenue. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests and skills, and then put in the work to build an audience and drive sales. With affiliate marketing, the potential for passive income is huge. If you've got your own money-making ideas, share them with us in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about investing, be sure to check out my next video for some expert tips. Thanks for watching.